In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install PgSharp on BlueStacks. This installation process will help you run PgSharp, which is a valuable tool for enhancing your Pokémon GO experience. Since PgSharp is distributed as an APK file and isn't available through the Google Play Store, you will need to install it manually in BlueStacks. This might seem daunting, but I'll guide you through each step. First, open your web browser. You can use any browser you prefer, such as Chrome or Firefox. Once your browser is open, navigate to the official PgSharp website. Look for the latest version of the PgSharp APK file available for download. This file is essential because it contains the application you need. Click the download link to start the download process. A good internet connection will help this go smoothly. Once the download finishes, make a note of where the file is saved on your computer. This is important because you will need to locate it in the next step. Now it's time to launch BlueStacks. If you have not installed BlueStacks yet, make sure to do that first. BlueStacks is an Android emulator that allows you to run Android applications on your computer. When you start BlueStacks, you will be greeted by the home screen, which looks similar to an Android device. This familiar interface makes it easy for you to navigate through apps. Once BlueStacks is fully loaded, you are ready for the next step. Next, you have a couple of options to install the PgSharp APK. You can drag and drop the downloaded PgSharp APK file directly into the BlueStacks window. This method is quick and straightforward. Alternatively, you can click on the Install APK button located on the right sidebar of the BlueStacks interface. This will open a file explorer, allowing you to select the APK file you downloaded earlier. Either method works well. Once you have initiated the installation, you will see a progress indicator. This makes sure that the installation is underway, and you can relax knowing it is being set up. Wait for the installation to complete. This may take a moment, depending on your system's performance. You will see a confirmation message when the installation is successful. This is a good moment to take a breath. You've successfully installed PgSharp, and soon you will be able to use it. After the installation is finished, look for the PgSharp icon on the BlueStacks home screen. It should be visible among other apps. Click on the PgSharp icon to open the application. This step is crucial because it will allow you to access the features that PgSharp offers. As you launch PgSharp, be prepared to follow some on-screen setup instructions. These instructions will guide you through the initial setup process. As you sign in, ensure you use your Pokémon GO account credentials carefully. This is important because it keeps your account secure. Follow the prompts as they appear on the screen. Once you've completed the setup, you will be ready to enjoy the enhanced gaming experience PgSharp provides. Note that recent reports indicate that PgSharp and Pokémon GO may not work reliably on BlueStacks due to emulator detection and compatibility changes. Even if the app installs successfully, it may crash, freeze, or fail to load. Keeping this in mind will help you manage your expectations. With that said, you are now equipped with the knowledge to install PgSharp on BlueStacks. Enjoy your enhanced gameplay and explore all the features PgSharp has to offer. Thank you for following along.